Hi, this is Mike, and yes, I potentially have changed to bullish mode. Now, you'll notice that we never got tripped into this trade, and I think I know why. I think Bitcoin's going up for another move, and you can check out that video, link it below. So this week move up after wave D, I think it's the start of a 5-wave move incoming. So it'll give you better opportunity to short XLM down the track, but for now, this turns to support. Okay, very strategic with how I move things around. I don't just haphazardly do it. It's support. Okay, it's probably not going to get broken. This looks like a corrective pattern. And I think now is a good time to tell you that this is what I expect. So all in all, what could this mean, apart from probably going long, is that wave two, wave E of wave two probably needs to extend higher. Okay, so this is probably just wave one and two, and I think that solves the riddle of what the hell was going on. And it's still a CDE pattern, but E wave is always the one that is the tricky wave. So with a short stop here, you could just go long with the stop at 0.088792, and the target is unknown at this point in time because I don't have anything to measure against. I will keep you updated. Probably best to keep an eye on the Bitcoin chart as well, but I would say potentially up to, look, it could be 0.786. It could be, the 90% pullback. Whatever the case may be, it's bullish at this point in time, and there's still one more move up, or a couple in this case, for the bear market rally, right? Because I still believe it is a bear market rally. So nonetheless, be prepared. If we break support, then it's bearish again from this level, as per my previous idea. But if we continue higher, then obviously this is a good place to go long. So check out that Bitcoin idea. And if I zoom in to the small degree, I can have a look at these patterns here and try to explain how I see it. This could be complete wave E here, potentially. We could be seeing here an A, B, C, D, E. Yeah, that looks right. Potentially A, B, C, D, E. Yeah. So I think this is the place to go long right now after this massive pullback. So it's not too late. If you want to confirm, break the highs, go long. Okay, so get this one quick, and thanks for watching.